we can see 5,000 stars, 0.01% of our galaxy. That too is possible if the sky is completely clear. These 5,000 stars are only 0.41% of our galaxy. We can't see more than this, but we don't want to accept it. This led to the invention of the telescope, changing our understanding of the universe. We saw Earth is much smaller, and we live in vast space with about 500 billion other friends in a galaxy. Our moon, the sun, Mars, and other planets are part of the Milky Way galaxy, which is so vast we can't capture its entire image. The first time we looked at the sky through a telescope, we saw that the planet we live on, Earth, is actually smaller than many other things. We realized that we are living in a huge space with about 500 billion friends, all of whom reside in what we call a galaxy. As you already know, our moon, the sun, Mars, and all the other planets are located within the Milky Way galaxy. It's estimated that there are about 100,000 people living in our galaxy, which is so vast, we've never been able to capture its entire image. That was just one galaxy. The universe has 200 billion galaxies, many stranger than the Milky Way. Some are massive, awe-inspiring, or transforming. Galaxies can be calm or violently active, showing only light imprints. Today, I'll guide you through these wonders. Some of these galaxies are so massive that they leave scientists in awe. There are also many galaxies that are separating from one another and transforming into another galaxy. Some are very calm, while others are so violent that if we ever get the chance to reach them, we would see nothing but the imprint of light. So today, I'm going to take you to a place in the universe that will feel completely new to you. Today, we will all explore galaxies that you may have never even heard of before. So get ready for a new experience. And in those galaxies, millions of stars are born and die all the time. Today, we are all going to explore galaxies that you may have never even heard of before. So get ready for a new experience. And he is always dying and being born in billions. Terrifying supernova blasts are happening in every galaxy, due to the combination of various particles, which is crucial for the birth of new stars and planets. For a galaxy to survive, it must either give birth to new stars within it, or absorb smaller galaxies around it. Our Milky Way galaxy continuously creates new planets. However, scientists have discovered a galaxy that hasn't formed a single new star in the last 10 billion years. Why has this galaxy been so quiet for millions of years? It seems that this galaxy has been unable to give birth to any new planets since before the formation of the Sun and Earth. Essentially, it is now in a nearly dead state. When scientists first observed this galaxy, they were astonished. This galaxy, known as NGC 1277, is located approximately 2.4 billion light years away from Earth. It is in a state where there is no presence of any kind of dust and gas. This is why no new planets or stars are being formed here. If a galaxy is not found for this galaxy very soon, scientists believe it will disappear from the universe very quickly. Another surprising thing about the galaxy is that it has many more planets and stars than our Milky Way galaxy, but unfortunately, not a single globular cluster, meaning their group, can be seen within this galaxy. This is why it is referred to as the ticket galaxy. Let's move forward. If you're interested in supernovae, then keep an eye on this galaxy. You can see it from your home in May with a good pair of binoculars. For this, you need to choose a place where there are no signs of any kind. The galaxy is a train in a match at a distance of 15 million light years from Earth. Its unique aspect is its brightness and pink color. With practice, it can be seen very easily through a telescope. And these words gave birth to this song, because new stars release a lot of UV energy when they are formed. That's why we're looking at this remedy. In this galaxy, scientists have observed 6 supernova explosions so far, from which they have also learned how energy is released from supernova explosions. Additionally, there are 300 such places in this galaxy that are the main sources of supernova explosions. When a supernova occurs, it dies in the process, and the gas around it spreads at a very high speed. If you are lucky, you might be able to see these from your home. The galaxy we are heading to with the telescope is one of the most magnificent in the universe, almost like a test galaxy. This galaxy, named 460526, is approximately 35,000 billion times more stunning than our Milky Way galaxy. It resembles a dark room, but it doesn't break away on its own. Rather, it is so powerful that it pulls in nearby galaxies and steals their light. This galaxy is located about 12.5 billion light years away from Earth. One scary thing is that there is a giant fog in the very center of the glass. Its estimated mass or weight is about 10 billion times that of the Sun. Because of this, the energy released in this galaxy is 10,000 times more than that of our Milky Way galaxy, which continues to astonish scientists. Many of you may have heard that in the next 6 billion years, there might be a collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. But did you know that besides the Andromeda galaxy, there is another massive galaxy named Messier that is moving towards our Milky Way, containing about 100 trillion stars? This galaxy is currently located 580 million light years away from us, within the Virgo cluster, where there are 13 to 2,000 other massive galaxies. Among all these galaxies, Messier and 9 others are heading straight towards us. It is currently located 580 million light years away from our Earth, within the Virgo cluster, where there are 13 to 2,000 other massive galaxies. Among all these galaxies, Messier and 9 others are heading straight towards us. The reason it's coming towards us is because its blue shift spectrum shows that when viewed through a telescope, the light's wavelength is decreasing and shifting. This can be interpreted as this object moving towards us. The rest of the galaxy has created more than 50,000 such stars, which are referred to as time stars. These stars appear blue and white, and they have a surface temperature that can reach up to 30,000 degrees, which is more than 5 times that of our Sun. If you want to see this galaxy with a telescope, you can see it with the constellations Lug and Leo constellation in May. Let's move on now. Our Milky Way galaxy spans 100,000 light years. The IC-110 galaxy is considered the largest, with countless stars. It is 40 times larger than the Milky Way. But the district we are going to now, it is almost the same as the Milky Way galaxy in front of us. The galaxy named IC-110 is considered by scientists to be the largest galaxy in the universe. It contains so many stars that if you were to name one every second, it would take you approximately 32,000 years to finish. With nearly 1,000 trillion stars, even if the Milky Way galaxy were to fit into the IC-110 galaxy, it would still be 40 times larger, completely encompassing the space of both the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. It will cover